Next, let's look at the Spending Insights page. This page takes the actual spending you've entered on the Money page and turns it into a visual overview, helping you see where your money is going over time. At the top, you can choose the time range you'd like to review, including 30 days, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or a custom date range. Next, choose whether you'd like to view your spending by categories or by individual items. Viewing by categories provides a high-level overview of your spending. You can choose All Spending, focus on a single category, or select multiple categories to compare them side by side. For example, you might compare your fixed expenses, utilities, and subscriptions to see how those areas of your budget compare. The categories available will depend on the ones you've created in your own planner, so your list may look different from this example. Credit and debt is tracked separately, so it isn't included in this view. If you switch to individual items, first select the category you'd like to view. The planner will then display each individual item within that category. For example, selecting utilities will show each utility you've entered, such as internet, hydro, gas, or water, allowing you to review your spending in greater detail. The Spending Over Time chart shows how your actual spending has changed throughout the selected period. This can help you spot higher spending months, notice patterns, and see whether your spending is increasing or decreasing over time. You can also choose to display your mood, energy, or habits alongside your spending. This can help you identify patterns between how you were feeling, how consistently you followed your routines, and your spending habits. On the right, the by category chart breaks your actual spending into percentages and dollar amounts, making it easy to see which categories accounted for the largest portion of your spending. Categories with no actual spending during the selected period will not appear in this chart. Below the charts is the Pattern Observations section. Here, the planner automatically highlights spending trends it notices based on your financial data. For example, it may identify your largest spending category or point out patterns between your spending and your mood, energy, or habits. These observations are designed to help you become more aware of your habits and identify opportunities for improvement. They're meant to provide gentle insights rather than judgments, helping you make informed decisions about your spending over time. Just below the pattern observations is your monthly subscription check-in. This section displays all of your active subscriptions, along with their total monthly cost and what those subscriptions add up to over the course of a year. It's a simple way to see how recurring subscriptions can impact your budget over time. Beside each subscription, you can indicate how often you actually use it by selecting Often, Sometimes, or Rarely. You can also use the Cancel reminder as a simple prompt to review subscriptions you may no longer need. These selections don't affect your budget calculations. They're simply there to help you become more aware of recurring expenses and identify opportunities to save money. Remember, there are 2 parts to budgeting: what you budget and what you actually spend. This page is based on what you've actually spent and recorded, not what you've budgeted. Now that we've explored your spending patterns, let's return to the Money page and look at the cash flow summary, where everything comes together.